This is Ahmed El Ibrahim, and this is assignment 2 traffic light controller for 2 roads. Here we have button 0 as reset, button 1 as road number 1 sensor, button 2 is road number 2 sensor, and switch 0 is enable. Here I'm using 7 segment displays here to show as the system is going through the cycle, you can see at which stage in the cycle you're at, and it goes from 0 all the way to 27, then back to 0. Here the system now is not doing anything because enable is set to 1 and it only counts up when enable is set to 0. So enable here is set to 0, so it counts, and now it's in this state where the traffic light number 1 is showing green and traffic light number 2 is showing red. And because there is no input from the sensors, it will remain at this state. So if I press sensor number 1, it doesn't change because traffic light number 1 is already green. If I press sensor number 2, the system then starts to change in order to get the traffic light number 2 to become green and allow the car to pass. So that's going through this. Now it's at where traffic light number 2 is green and traffic light number 1 is red. And it's the same situation. If I press sensor 1, it will go through the cycle to then for the other traffic light to become green. So this system, whenever it's whenever it's showing amber, it will be there for 2 seconds, and as it's counting here, you can see that if I set the enable to 1, it stops counting even though I'm pressing the sensors, because in order for it to count, the enable has to be set to 0. So I set enable back to 0, and now it's counting. And if I press reset, the system goes back to this idle state, which is traffic light 1 showing red and amber, and traffic light 2 is just showing red. You'll notice that whenever the system is in showing green for either lights, I have to keep holding the button for the system to keep counting, and that's because I didn't manage to get to make the buttons latch, so I have to keep physically, manually holding them down for the system. Thanks.